guys, in today's video I'll show henna application. In my previous video I had shown how you have to prepare henna. In case अगर आपने वो video नहीं देखी है तो the link will be in description box. Please go and check out. And let's start today's video, that is henna application. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अर्चना and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are good and taking very good care of yourself. In case if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it. और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक एंड शेयर विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. Henna is a natural dye which we use to color and condition our hair naturally. It helps in treating dull damaged hair. It increases the overall scalp health and also adds shine to our hair. Hello everyone. Today's video is all about henna application. For today's video you need prepared and overnight soaked henna, hair brushes and comb to detangle your hairs. I am more comfortable when I apply henna directly with my hands. What I used to do, I used to wear gloves in my right hand, leaving my left hand as it is and start with the application. You can use hair brushes in case if you don't feel comfortable in doing henna application directly with your hands. Always detangle your hairs properly before starting with the application. I already did before starting this video. यहाँ पे मैं start करूँगी from the center of my head. From the crown part, I'll take a thin section of hair. We have to roll it. We don't have to make a knot. Instead, we have to roll it and try to fix at the top with the help of henna. Make sure कि हमें knot नहीं लगानी है. We just have to roll it and we need to fix it with henna. So that हम बाकी के हेयर्स को उसके अराउंड रोल कर पाएँ. आफ्टर रोलिंग आपको अच्छे से उसे हिना से फिक्स कर देनी है. Once the base part is ready, what I'll do, मैं छोटे छोटे sections लेके उसके ही around wrap करती जाऊंगी. So whenever you take any section, at first you need to work on the roots of the hairs and then उसके आगे पीछे आपको अच्छे से हिना apply करनी है and then you need to work on the length of the hairs. Once the base is ready, it becomes very easy because अब हम जितने भी small sections लेंगे उसके ही around हम wrap करते जाएंगे. And after wrapping every section, हमें base पर भी अच्छे से हिना apply करनी है. During application, always concentrate at the roots and on the front hairs because वो ज़्यादा दिखते हैं. In case if you have gray hairs, take smaller sections and you need to really work at the roots of the hairs. After the complete application, I'll just apply the leftover henna onto my scalp and will try to cover any left out edges. इन केस अगर आपकी हेयर्स अच्छे से टाई नहीं हुई है तो आप उसे रबर बैंड या क्लचर से टाई भी कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ वी आर डन विद द एप्लीकेशन एंड फाइनली आई विल वेयर अ शावर कैप. नाउ रैपिंग ऑफ हेड इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आफ्टर एप्लीकेशन हमें इसे 2 से 3 घंटे ऐसे ही रखनी होती है. नाउ रैपिंग ऑफ हेड इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज एक तो ये आपको स्टेनिंग से बचाती है एंड जब आप 3 घंटे बाद शावर कैप निकालते हो तो आपकी मेहंदी गीली ही होती है विच मेक्स योर हेड वॉश इवन मोर ईजियर. नाउ द एप्लीकेशन इज़ डन. टुडे आई विल वॉश माई हेयर्स ओनली विथ वाटर एंड आफ्टर वॉशिंग हेवी ऑयलिंग इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट आफ्टर हिना एप्लीकेशन. You will see कलर कितना अच्छा आएगा and you will be happy to see the result for sure. So this was all about today's video. I hope आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.